this girl just leave me alone for once? Why couldn't you just leave me alone? Dude, you finally came. I thought you were never gonna come. What, not even a thank you for saving your butt? I hate this. I just get bullied because of what I wear. That's not nice. And I can't tell anyone. And then he just shoved me onto the ground. What's wrong with Evan? Why can't he just mind his own business? Like, it's not that hard. It's time you get rid of dear Evan. Oh, he's stealing my love from me. Welcome to Awkward High. Because of how awkward it is. It's not really called awkward. It's called epic high. But it's not epic. You are going to left me because you think I'm just gonna date someone who's popular and then become popular with them? Yeah, no thanks. Go cheat on someone other than me. Don't just stand there, you idiot! Do something! Get him! I'm so over. That's not fair. Why doesn't he like me? I don't even cheat. I think it's because of how I look. I should look more normal. Even my best friend Emily just walks off of me. I was too bratty. Now this little girl just got heartbroken because she doesn't have a pure heart to be in our school. But we'll let her stay. This girl here is known as Ellie Penwood. She's the most respected girl in school. That's only because she's my daughter. She's an embarrassment of a daughter. No matter how many times I ground her, she's still the stupid girl that nobody likes. Bro, I really want that new laptop. Look at it. Speak for yourself, bruh. I'm getting that new iPhone. Look at it. And I want that computer. Is it on the left or the right, Ivan? Don't even dare hit me, or else I'll get my mommy to expel you. This is Min's daughter. That one girl who just makes sure everyone does what she says, or else she goes, or else I'm gonna get my mommy to expel you. Just because Min is the owner of this school. She's the principal. And you're wondering where Min is? Well, I'll show you right now. You're lucky I'm even blessing you, as we can come out and go back to sender. We can come out and go back to sender. Nonsense. I know best. Back to sender. I know best. Back to sender. This is Min. I know best. Back to sender. And she is very angry over something. I am best. Back to sender. Who thinks they're better than me? This is my school, and who's playing that racket? She has anger issues of some sort. I'm not seeing. I want double jobs. She's the principal's daughter. Y'all clown heads need to start whispering more quietly and get that weird girl to stop playing music. Bloop bleep blap blap. Bleep bloop, bleep blap, bleep bleep. Ugh, watching to see where I can just pop in and make people do as I say. There's no one to do what I want them to. I'll just, well, watch.